Hello everyone, welcome back to TechNet. This is Sanit. So today we are going to apply Microsoft Internship. So basically, I don't waste your time. So directly, I provide the link in the description. Please go through that. So here, the Microsoft is one of the top three companies in the world. So they are providing a valid internship. So it will be only for the who are graduating or who are pursuing the BTech, MTech or BE in the computer science field. So here we have to give primary information, profile information as I give showing in the video, and you have to upload your valid and present resume, updated resume, not go through the previous resumes. Okay. After that, you have to add your something like cover letter, etc. Now you are legally authorized to work in India. Yes. So you are not immigrant. So no. So these are the two. We have to check the details. After that, save and continue. Now verify the info you are entered so far. Yes, save and continue. So it's a candid questions where they are asking something like whether your fathers or grandfathers are employed in a government agency or previously anywhere worked in the Microsoft, so they get more chances to get internship. So they can verify our profile history, so give genuine information. So will you have minimum of one semester quarter of term school at complete finishing on internship? Yes, I have. So those who don't have can know. So after that, submit. Click on submit. So then your application has been submitted. Next, interview, offer, pre onboard, hired. So this is a very easy, looking like easy process, but not an easy process. Thank you. Subscribe for more.